Hello everyone, this is Lucas here. Today I want to teach you one stretching for you do in the morning. When you just wake up, you can practice this, okay? First, raise your hands, put your arms down, do always inhale, exhale, straight your arm up, take energy. The sequence is for when you just wake up in the morning, you practice it. Keeping strong in your position, inhale, exhale. Very good. Let's move to the side, right side, center, come back to the left side. You can respect your time. If it's too much to you, don't need to go so far. Do the same but a little bit. One more time, raise your hand, straight your arm up, and stay. Inhale, exhale, keep breathing. Very good. Now, roll your shoulders, make circles with your shoulders back. Very good. And then forward. Good. 4 times. Okay? Very good. Now let's take some energy. Flex your knees with your arms front of your body. And then we go with your arm up. And 3, 2, 1. And up. Flex. And up again. One more time. Very good. One more. And straight up. Very good. Open your feet. Open your arms. Straight up. Flex. And 1. And 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. Very good. With your arms in your shoulders line, flex your knees. Right, left, left, and right. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Turn to the right side. Okay, it's a big and strong position. Correct your spine, stay in line. Up. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Let's go now. Turn to the left. The same. Very good. Inhale, exhale. And then little bit hard, okay? Respect your limit. Try to touch the floor with your hands. Put your shoulders down, your head down. If you can't, open a little bit more your feet and you touch floor, okay? Close your feet, make a dome with your back, and slowly, slowly go up. Very good. And 3 times with the arms together. 3, inhale, exhale, 2, and last one. Very good. Thank you very much. Don't forget, try to do this sequence every day in the morning, okay?